What's up, everyone? Jay here over at instantsalesfunnels.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how this AI email marketing software wrote my whole welcome series in seconds. I'm going to show you a demo, how to do this, how to use this, how it's going to save you time, energy, and make you money by telling stories that people want to read. It's going to keep them engaged. It don't sound like you're selling, you're entertaining. Well, you're obviously selling, but you're entertaining your email subscriber. So you're not gonna be hard selling them. It's gonna be telling a story, like I said, engaging them and getting that click, which ultimately leads to whatever you're promoting or selling. If you're an affiliate, it'll be an affiliate product. If you own a business, it could be, you're sending them to your business's website, whatever it may be. If you're looking to create storytelling emails that are fun to read, you're gonna want to check out this tool. It's free. So check it out. Available at instantsalesfunnels.com. So I'm going to do a demo real quick of this and show you how easy this is to use. You want to check it out, come on over and stop in. So build a storytelling email funnel in seconds. You're just going to fill out 3 quick fields below and get your email written instantly. First box is, what are you promoting? For my demo, I'm doing a product called Mitolyn. It's a weight loss supplement available on ClickBank. So we're using that for this demo. Obviously, you're going to put in whatever it is that you are promoting. So this is called Mitolyn Weight Loss Supplement. It's designed for busy men and women who want to shed stubborn fat fast, boost energy, and feel confident again without crash diets or insane workouts. Product or offer link. Now paste that in here. If you don't want to put that in there, that's fine. You want to do it later, but put a placeholder in here because it is mandatory to put that in there. But you can put your affiliate link in here. And if you don't have one, just put any URL in there. You can always remove it. It's not a big deal. Email goal is to drive clicks and generate more supplement sales with a story that builds trust. And then I got highlights benefits, etc., etc. And it tells you right here, it guides you on what each box is, what it does, and it'll tell you what to put in there to make the output better. Here's what we came up with. The secret weapon for busy lives. Discover the power of Mitolyn. Subject lines are hit and miss on this tool. It is built with professional copywriting prompt. It's a very good prompt, so you're going to get excellent output. Subject lines, sometimes are really good, sometimes they need a little work. So take that with a grain of salt, but the content's going to be amazing. So let me read you the email I came up with what this tool came up with. Dear friend, let me tell you a story. Imagine a busy man named Jake. He's got a demanding job, a family to take care of, and a social life that's constantly pulling him in every direction. Like many of us, Jake had dreams of shedding those stubborn pounds that had crept on over the years. He wanted to feel energetic, confident, and quite frankly, like the man he used to be. But every time he tried to lose weight, it felt like fighting an uphill battle. Crash diets left him feeling drained. Intense workouts had him gasping for breath. And let's be honest, who has the time for that? Then one day, while scrolling through his phone during a rare moment of downtime, Jake stumbled upon something that changed everything. The Mitolyn weight loss supplement. Now I know what you're thinking. Another supplement? What's the catch? But let me tell you, this isn't just another ordinary pill. Mitolyn is created for busy men and women like you and Jake who want results without the hassle. Picture this. Within just a few weeks, Jake started to notice changes. He felt more energized. His cravings were under control, and he was shedding those stubborn pounds without sacrificing his lifestyle. No more skipping family dinners or missing out on weekend fun. What makes Mitolyn so special? It's a powerful blend of natural ingredients designed to kickstart your metabolism, boost your energy levels, and help you feel confident in your own skin again. No crash diets, no insane workouts, just real results that fit into your busy life. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of satisfied customers are raving about their transformation. They've discovered the secret weapon that allows them to thrive in their careers, enjoy time with their family, and feel fabulous while doing it. So are you ready to join the ranks of those who've taken control of their health and happiness? Click here to discover how Mitolyn can change your life. And then there would be your link here. In this case, it's for Mitolyn. Remember, life is too short to feel sluggish and self-conscious. It's time to reclaim your energy and confidence to your success. And you put your name here, your placeholder. P.S. Don't let another day go by feeling less than your best. And then all you do is you take the email, this free tool, this AI storytelling tool just created. Obviously, go over here, and then you copy and paste it, and you're good to go. Go over to your favorite autoresponder. I use Aweber if you want to check it out for yourself. I'll leave a link for that as well. It's really good for beginners, and they do offer a free trial, so you can check that out for yourself as well. But this is an excellent tool. I needed this with my business just to save time and get a better output. And with the prompt in place, it's going to give you excellent emails. And then another thing you can do when you're using this tool, you don't need to click the submit button. You can click outside the submit button anywhere. Just left click on your mouse, and it's going to generate. If you want to change a box up here, you can do that right here, and it's going to update in real time. And I'll show you that right now. Say we want to do something different. I'm trying to think of another weight loss supplement that we can put in there. Mitolyn. We'll use the same one. I can't think of anything off the top of my head. Mitolyn. We'll do the exact same one, but we're going to do, we're promoting it a little bit different. What are you promoting? Mitolyn. Tell people my transformation story. You could do Weight Watchers or something like that. Tell people my transformation story of how I lost, we'll say 50 pounds in 3 months. That's a lot of weight, but we're just going to do this for, click outside of it, and it should update. Let's do this right here. Tell us what you want this story-driven email to achieve. More sales, clicks, trust, or engagement. We'll just put more sales here. And it should update. How I lost right there. See that? How I lost 50 pounds in 3 months, and you can too. Let me take you back a few months. Picture this. I was standing. Okay, it's switched up again because I changed that last box. How I lost 50 pounds in 3 months, and you can too. Now, that's a really good title. Remember I said how the titles are hit and miss sometimes, but they're always pretty good. But this is a really good title I'd actually use. So, how I lost 50 pounds in 3 months, and you can too. Hey there, let me take you back to a chilly January morning, the kind where you can see your breath hanging in the air like a ghost. I stood in front of the mirror, staring at a reflection that felt more like a stranger than me. The scale had just delivered a cruel verdict. 50 pounds overweight. Ouch. I was tired of feeling sluggish, tired of avoiding mirrors, and tired of wearing the same baggy clothes every day. I knew something had to change, but what? That's when I stumbled upon Mitolyn. A friend had told me about it, but like you, I was skeptical. I mean, how many times had I tried the next big thing, only to come up short? But something about it felt different, so I decided to give it a shot. Fast forward 3 months, and I'm standing in front of that same mirror, but this time I'm grinning from ear to ear. I lost 50 pounds and transformed my life. Here's how it happened. I started taking Mitolyn. It was like flipping a switch. My energy skyrocketed. Cravings vanished, and I found myself actually enjoying workouts. I felt lighter, not just physically, but mentally. I was no longer a prisoner of my own body. Now, how good is this? And then it goes into imagine this. I'll let you read the rest of it so this video doesn't get too long. But you can read on the screen how good these emails come out. And you can use it for anything to create a storytelling framework for your email. And like I said, it's a built-in professional prompt based on a pro copywriter. I spent a lot of time on this prompt, so you're going to get excellent output for your emails. And all you do is come on over, like I said, copy and paste it, go over to your favorite autoresponder, and you're good to go. But like I said, I created this for my business, saved me time and energy when I was creating emails, and this helps out a lot in my business. It's going to help out a lot with your business too. It's free. Come on over if you like it. Play around with it. Use as much as you want. Don't cost you a thing. And if you want all 20 of my tools, the link's going to be up top in the AI Toolkit Vault. There's a lot more where that came from. So feel free to pick those up as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have any questions about this tool? If you like this tool, if there's something you'd like to see added to it, please let me know in the comment section below. And, I can make it even. I think it's pretty lean, mean, and it does a good job as it is. But if you see a function that, I can make better, let me know. I'd appreciate it. Come on over and check this out. and enjoy it and save yourself some time and make yourself make yourself more money by using an actual tool that tells stories instead of direct selling, and you don't have to come up with emails off the top of your head. This is going to do the hard work for you, engage your audience, keep them reading, and driving clicks to whatever it is you're promoting. So thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Like this video if you enjoyed it. And like I said, if you got any comments about anything, shoot me a comment below. And I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.